Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, April 18th, and we've got one more round of maybe a little bit of wintry weather for tonight. For today, we'll see some rain showers, temperatures in the 40s, and then we'll see that turn over to snow tonight. The best bet is about a trace to maybe an inch in some areas. We'll keep an eye on the radar trends, and then as we get into the weekend, we'll see temperatures by Friday approach 50 degrees into the low 50s on Saturday, mid to upper 50s to possibly around 60 on Sunday. I think for next Monday and Tuesday, we'll have temperatures around 60 or low 60s. So we actually have a prolonged period of really nice weather. It's going to help dry things out. It's going to definitely feel more like spring. Not that there's not more cold air coming, but nothing like we've seen. In fact, yesterday's high of 36 and a low of 27. Hopefully that'll be the last 30-degree temperature we see for a high. And you can see that's 24 degrees below the normal high of 60. We should be in the 60s right now. And again, we had a trace of rainfall, a trace of snowfall. And again, we've had now 6 days in the month of April with at least 1 inch of snow on the ground. Really incredible. As far as temperatures out there this morning, temperatures mainly in the upper 20s to low 30s across the area. And if we look at the satellite view, you can see our next system that's going to bring quite a bit of snow to portions of Iowa into Wisconsin before it dissipates quite a bit as it moves east. The low pressure system will actually move just south of the state and head towards Pennsylvania by tomorrow morning. So it's going to be a pretty quick mover. So the rain will move in fairly quickly today and then again turn over to some snow tonight. Again, not a lot, but enough to another day with measurable snow, it looks like. And you can see on radar that system as it turns off to our west. And again, it'll move to the east. The snow will be on the north side. We'll start out as rain this afternoon. But again, as temperatures cool and we get into nighttime, that'll help the cause to turn it over to snow. Again, the forecast map calling for some heavy snow off into northern Iowa, southern Minnesota, and portions of southwest Wisconsin. But again, as it moves east, it'll continue to lose its strength, and we should be left with just some showers and some lighter snows tonight across the area. How much precipitation? This is the next 7 days, and it's pretty much all going to be for tonight into tomorrow, tonight into tomorrow morning. And then after that, we look high and dry right on through the early, maybe in the middle part of next week. And again, some of this will be in the form of snow, but again, not very heavy amounts once you get into Michigan. And the WPC says about an inch, maybe 2 inches in some areas. I think the best bet will be around or under an inch, but certainly we want to watch the radar trends and see how quickly it turns over to snow. If it turns over to snow later this afternoon or this evening versus overnight, then we may get a little bit more. As far as the extended outlook, if you want some good news there, the outlook is for above normal temperatures all the way into the Great Lakes. However, I'm really seriously doubting that 8 to 14 day outlook. I have a feeling this ridge is going to be pretty strong, but I think that's going to allow for more of a trough in the Great Lakes and to the east. So I'm a little hesitant on looking at temperatures in the mid 60s to mid 70s in the 8 to 14 day outlook, but we'll see what happens. I think there's a chance that that could happen, but I think there's a good chance we could see temperatures below normal as well. As far as the forecast goes for today, again, it'll, after morning lows in the mid to upper 20s, we'll see highs in the low 40s today. Tonight that changes over to some snow, a trace to an inch for most areas. And then we'll see our temperatures slowly warm up as we get into the weekend. And then Sunday looks like a really nice day with highs in the mid to upper 50s, maybe close to 60. And Monday, Tuesday look fantastic right now with temperatures around or possibly even in the low 60s, upper 50s to low 60s with lots of sunshine. And here's a look at the Monday weather map showing high temperatures in the upper 50s to around 60. And you can see for each of these days, lots of sunshine, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So finally, some really good spring weather is heading for most of mid-Michigan. As far as the weather outlook, the weather watch outlook this morning, you can see with the winter storm warnings are in effect across lots of Iowa, southern Minnesota, into far southwest Wisconsin. Winter weather advisory surrounding that area for about 2 to 3 inches of snow. Inside the warning, about 4 to 7 inches of snow. And again, another round of winter freeze advisories off to the south. But definitely improving weather across much of the Great Lakes here over the next 5 days. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day. And 73s to all.